Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in email marketing we'll discuss about mailing lists. What mailing lists are all about, different types of mailing lists, the single opt-in, the double opt-in, so on and so forth. Let's get started with it. What is a mailing list? Mailing list is a list of email IDs collected by a company to send periodic promotional emails with a purpose and objective to promote their business. Email IDs are collected by companies to promote an objective of their business. This is done by solicited emails. It is not that the companies are buying email IDs from someone else, from some source, and preparing a mailing list and sending emails to people whom they do not know, who never visited your website. That doesn't work that way. Mailing list are collected by solicited email process. That is a mailing list. Types of emailing list. It could be announcement list, there could be product launches list, there could be discussions list, newsletters, tutorials and collateral marketing lists. The list can be different. An organization, a company may have announcement list. They want to make an announcement and that is actually a separate list. They have some product launches, they want to make a separate list out of it. For discussions purpose, there could be a separate mailing list. Like similarly, the tutorials, newsletters and collateral marketing material. These are the different types of email marketing lists or mailing lists that are available that people leverage in sending emails to their customers or intended audience. How to build a mailing list? This is actually the most important point. This is actually the core of the point. How actually you can build a massive mailing list. Use softwares and autoresponders. If you are doing it manually, let's say for example you have a website, you have a blog or you have a landing page or you may have a squeeze page. Now people are actually subscribing on their website, the blogs or the landing pages, and that email ID is actually coming to a particular email ID that you have attached to those landing pages, and you take that email ID, you create an Excel sheet and you put that in the Excel sheet. That is not going to work if you are a serious business. If you want to do serious business, you make sure you use automated autoresponded softwares that automates the entire process of your email marketing campaign, and that is actually how it works and that is actually how you should be doing. Offer high value beneficial content. Why on earth do I need to come and subscribe to your emailing list, and why actually I need to do that? I don't need to do that unless and until you offer me highly beneficial content to me that benefits me at the end of the day. People subscribe only because of the content, the kind of high value content that you can provide. Provide high value content, the subscribers will subscribe to your email ID and they will stick to you. If you ask people to subscribe, they may subscribe. That is fine. That is the first point. You acquired a potential customer. But when you send email, if that information, that email does not include high value content that is benefiting the subscriber, the next day they will unsubscribe. So make sure the content, the information that you are providing is of high value. Create effective landing pages and squeeze pages. The landing pages and the squeeze pages actually are what they will generate the leads for you, the subscribers for you. It has to have high value content, they should look good, very good, excellent. Most important thing is they should provide the content that is required for me to persuade to subscribe to that mailing list. Unless and until an information that is not beneficial for me is not provided on the landing page or a squeeze page, I will not going to subscribe. Make sure it is a very, very good landing and squeeze page. Offer freebies. People love freebies. Offer a free ebook or some information that actually can help you get more subscribers and build a massive list. Leverage social media. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Make sure that you use and leverage the social media platforms, making sure that you drive traffic from these platforms to your landing pages and squeeze pages and make them subscribe. This is actually a very good method normally people use. Persuasive CTAs, whether it's a landing page or a squeeze page or a website or a blog, make sure that you provide an excellent CTA, a call to action to persuade the users to subscribe to your mailing list. And these are the few reasons which work actually in building a massive mailing list. Single opt-in and double opt-in. Single opt-in or SOI is a subscription-based process where a new email address are added to the mailing list without the user confirming the email. I go to a website or a landing page, I review that website or a landing page, then there is a form for me. It says, please register or subscribe to our blog or to our website so that we can send you high value content related to your subject that you are looking for. Leave your name, your email ID. What I do is I like it, I want some more information from them, I leave my name and my email ID and submit. As soon as I submit, the first email arrives into my inbox from them. That is single opt-in. They are not confirming whether I am a genuine person or not, whether my email ID is correct or not. This is single opt-in. The double opt-in is completely opposite to it, in sharp contrast to it. I go to a website or a landing page, there is a form again there, then I give my name and my email ID and submit. Instead of getting the first email from them, what I get from them is that a confirmation link. Hello, you just subscribed to our mailing list. Thank you so much for the same. We have given a link in the below. Please click on that link so that we can confirm your subscription. They send an email to us. This is double opt-in. When I click on that link, I go to their thank you page. After confirmation of my email ID, the emails follow. This is single opt-in and double opt-in. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a mailing list, types of emailing list, how to build a mailing list, and single opt-in and double opt-in options. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.